Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre magbibigyan mo tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na ito. Ang sabi dito, Iman as a police officer took Samuel as CICL into the custody for the violation of law. As a criminologist, the act of the former is considered arrest. Okay? So, yung ibig sabihin ng ating katanungan, ito daw si Iman or si Emmanuel, isang police officer na kung saan hinuli niya itong CICL. Yung sinabing CICL, si Samuel, child in conflict with the law, into the custody. Dinala niya sa custody kasi nga nakapag-commit ito ng krimen, kaya nga tinatawag nating CICL. Ngayon tinanong tayo, as a criminologist, yung act ba daw ni former? Si former is si Emmanuel. Yung act ni Emmanuel is considered arrest. Arrest ba tawag doon? Yan. Okay, letter A, yes. Letter B, no. Letter C, maybe. Letter D, partially no. Okay? So, unang-una sa lahat, tandaan natin class na pag nag-take tayo ng board examination, is dapat alam natin kung ano yung subject na tinatakil natin or anong area yan. Kasi may mga definition tayo, may mga terms tayo na sabihin na lang nating pare-pareha pero iba-iba yung definition pagdating sa ibang tinatawag nating mga subject or area. For example na lang natin, yung ating admission sa CDI, that is a direct acknowledgement of facts or short acknowledgement of guilt. Pero class, pagdating sa CORAD, yung admission, it is also considered as the, kumbaga, receiving of an inmate that is called admission. Ngayon, tinanong sa atin dito, yung paghuli ba ni Emmanuel kay Samuel as ACL, arrest ba tawag doon? Okay, tama ba yun? Tandaan natin class, ang ating arrest under Rule 113, Rules of Court Criminal Procedure, ang sabi doon, it is taking of the person into the custody that he may bound to answer all the commission of an offense, that is called arrest tawag doon. Pero, tandaan natin, kapag ang hinuli mo or ang inaristo mo ay minor, sabi kasi dito CICL, child, class, ang tawag doon is hindi na po siya arrest. Kundi ang tawag natin doon is initial contact. So, the correct answer natin dito is no. Bravo. Kasi ang tawag doon is hindi arrest, kundi ang tawag sa pagdala niya sa custody is initial contact po yan. Okay, and syempre tandaan po natin class na ang ating initial contact dito sa juvenile, that is considered taking of the minor into the custody or arresting of the minor, that is called initial contact. But sa ating CDI, sa ating traffic management, yung initial contact, it is the first touch of the object being collided. So magkaiba po siya ng definition pero pareha lang po sila. Kaya sabi ko po, in board exam purposes, dapat alam po natin yung mga subject na tinatakil natin at kung anong area yan. Hindi po gaya ng college na kung ano yung nandyan, yan lang po. Pero ngayon, kailangan na po nating pag-aralan yan. Okay? So, sana nakatulong sa inyo to. Ang the correct answer natin dyan is no. Kasi hindi po siya arrest, kundi initial contact po yan. And syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel Damasio Schuman, Villa Easter, Carlos sa CBRC, National Lecturer and Registered Criminologist. Nagsasabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share, sabay ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.